It's like low-key 2 a.m. right now. I'm low-key tired, but I'm just trying to get it ready so I can take it out to see some exotic cars, bro. Other than that, look at this, bro. GT3 RS, bro. See it? Touch it? Obtain it, my boy. There's another old school next to the Cruze. That's what's up. Twinsies. Alright, as you guys can see, I am deep inside of Blue's Cruise. Pause. But oh my gosh. That sums up what's going on right now, bro. I'm trying to get these plugs off and I cannot do it. Like, bro, I just changed all 8 spark plugs. Next time you guys see me, hopefully you wake up in time and we'll be on our way to the most exotic car meet in Las Vegas. It's kind of exclusive and I want to go. And as you guys can see, we just kind of prepared ourselves to do that. And next time I'll see you boys, hopefully we looking at $1 million worth of cars. Get some rest, cause I know I'm about to. Yes, Jordan, out. We go like a little cool little cold start with the new plugs. That's not bad. JJ gang, what's going on? I mean, as you boys can tell, we're in the Cruze right now. We're on the way to the $1 billion meet. I mean, I told y'all we was gonna try to get there. Let me see. Other than that, like, yeah, I'm just really cruising right now. I'm not really trying to push it or not. It felt really good with the new plugs. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you boys when we get closer, when we're doing something cool. I'm chilling, bro. Good morning, first of all, you feel me? Other than that, I'm finna eat this. I like egg, but I don't be liking like McDonald's and like places like Burger King egg. I don't be liking that stuff. It be tasting for like, I don't know what it be tasting like. Bro, I asked for grape jelly. Come on now. First of all, I asked for grape jelly, and she gave me ketchup. And then, look, I was like, can I have some grape jelly? She gave me ketchup. And then, okay. See, I'm not ungrateful. I'll eat my sausage biscuit with some ketchup. Yeah. I think he on the way to where I'm going right now. I'm excited, bro. One, because I'm able to take the truck out and go network. Meet some new people, learn some new things, see some new things. Touch it, feel it, see, what is it? See it, touch it, obtain it, and just go enjoy my Sunday morning, bro. I'll catch you boys when we is at the $1 billion car meet. Yeah, we just made it to the Spizot. This is what's up, bro. It's lit. We got the, whoa. Thank you. This is elite, bro. I'm trying to figure out where to park though. Ferraris. This is crazy. GT3 RS. Grand Sport. Come on. I think I'm finna just get right here real quick. Alright, so we just put up to the music. First of all, I'll show you boys the cruise over here chilling. And the hood is up because of like my intake. So I don't take my intake off so I can close my hood properly or whatnot. Yeah, it's still not locking. Other than that, they got hot shit out here. They got, whoa, the M. Look at the M. Robbers, bro. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is dope. It's nice. I'm great. How are you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the little car I was telling you guys about. The one that they're showcasing. The new KTM. They popped the top on this motherfucker, bro. That's insane. Look at the inside, bro. That's insane, bro. This, yeah, bro. Everything here is insane. This whole shit's insane. I don't know. It's crazy though, bro. This is insane. Yeah, fucking. Oh, bro. C806 Ferrari. Insane, bro. When I woke up this morning, bro, I was able to have the opportunity to come out and see things like this, bro. Right-hand drive, though, bro. So, yeah, bro, other than that, I'm enjoying myself, bro. What? It's crazy. It's a nice Ford right here. Yes, sir. That's nice. It's the same color as my truck, bro. All of this is nice. Look at this, bro. It's crazy, bro. Even the back ends got Hot Whips, bro. Like, come on now, they got the Supras and the M4s over here parked under the parking garage like it's, come on now, bro. The carbon fiber. That's a lot of carbon fiber. Look at this, bro. Damn, boys coming back to back with the M's. Oh, it's that one. I be seeing this truck a lot right here. It's that truck that be beating Camaros and stuff. And this is the guy right here. What's going on, bro? How you doing, bro? I'm great. How are you? Good, man. Yes, sir. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Hell yeah. This is insane. Z06 me. Whoa. Ah! Bro, just. Bro got some turbos on his shit. Some fat ass tires, bro. Big meaty claws.
Big meaty claws!
Look at this bad boy. Yeah, bro, this is pretty dope. It's pretty insane. It's pretty cool. Everything about it, bro. Got a row of Mustangs. 350, 500, 350. Damn. Imagine like bitch being boxed in and you can't move. And it's like emergency. Like, bro, you gotta borrow the nearest car. What's the nearest car? Bro, let me take that real quick to the crib. That's crazy. This is nice.
He's like, oh yeah, the guy. He's like, well, I ain't broken.
This is lit. Everything. No, you're good, bro. I'm sorry. 8 a.m. playing Roscoe Dash. I love it. Play my newest single, bro. This is dope. Never would expect this to come from a Civic, huh? Man. This is insane, bro. Cars everywhere. People everywhere. Most importantly, cars. There's always gonna be people around. But cars, I don't think we ever gonna be getting this American muscle the way the world is going right now. I will put up in the XXT. The Z01 skis though. Z01, it is got quiet though. This is crazy. Get him, boy. Chopping. Z06. Chopping. Lambo. Them boys pull up. Damn. GT3 RS. That's my dream car right here, you guys. The 4.0 GT3 RS 4.0. I told you I was gonna be $1 billion worth of cars. Bro, that over there alone, that whole section, bro. Plus, bro, $1 billion alone, bro, in stock cars. There's $1 billion in stock cars here, bro. Let alone, bro, the mods, bro. The mods on these cars are insane, bro. Half these people, bro, just got their car modded to the T. Look at this, bro. Big diesel with the turbo on it, bro. Come on, my boy. It's crazy. Just looking at these like crazy ass cars, bro. Like the Shelby Super Snake. Come on, bro. Like it don't get no better than that, bro. The Super Sneezy, the Slitheroo. Come on now. This is insane. ZL1 skis though, bro. Look at these fat tires, bro. Sheesh. Manual ZL1. Ooh. This would have been the second option. Well, this is the second option, honestly. I don't care. I'm coming supercharged, bro. I got you, bro. It is what it is, bro. I'm coming supercharged. Whether it's... That was a carbon fiber wing, though. He a bad motherfucker. I'm sorry for touching on stuff, but you gotta see it, touch it, obtain it, bro. Bunch of cars out here, bro. Ooh, who's out here? Ooh, ooh. That boy should look like a, I don't know, a lollipop. This guy could have fucking parked normal and saved some space for everybody. But they wanted to do their own thing and park sideways. Oh look, there's another old school next to the cruise. That's what's up. Twinsies. Cruise lost a lot of oil, not gonna cap. That's it for the meet, you guys.